Sometimes the world talks loud, but our hearts talk louder. DK, hearts we carry. We carry hearts full of fire and pain. Voices talking loud in the midnight rain. We don't break, we bend, but we rise again. Somali kid with a dream, fighting no chains. Yeah, we hear the comments, all that noise online, but the truth lives deeper in this heart of mine. If the past is gone, still the soul survive. We hold the light, we stay alive. Yeah, Leas Muhammad posted, said, no one listens, dalad badawak nagaripte. History heavy, hearts full of lead, but the youth waking up, raising voices of today. They say the world broke us, colonizers played us, leaders failed to raise us, but still inside us, fire blazing. Yeah, we ain't broken, we chosen. Past wounds keep our souls open. If Siad's gone, still hearts stay golden. Legacy lives in the words unspoken. Too many comments, too many fights, too many kids losing sleep at night. Can we breathe? Can we heal? Can we choose a future that feels real? We carry hearts full of fire and pain. Voices talking loud in the midnight rain. We don't break, we bend, but we rise again. Somali kid with a dream, fighting old chains. Yeah, we hear the comments, all the noise online, but the truth lives deeper in this heart of mine. If the past is gone, still the soul survive. We hold the light, we stay alive. Everyone's screaming on the timeline, throwing words sharper than a landmine. Could build this, could build that. Man, it's 2025, why we still doing that? Some brothers drowning in the bottle, others fight demons full throttle. Addiction stealing dreams from tomorrow, but we rise stronger through every sorrow. Yeah, I see a youth lost, but I don't judge him. Internet dragging, but nobody loves him. He needs help, not hate, but the crowd wants flames, not fake. We all flawed, we all fall, but united we stand, divided we crawl. Let the past rest, let the future call. Somali blood, Somali soul, one and all. When the world gets loud, when the pain gets proud, hold your heart breathing. You're stronger within. We carry hearts full of fire and pain. Voices talking loud in the midnight rain. We don't break, we bend, but we rise again. Somali kid with a dream, fighting old chains. Yeah, we hear the comments, all that noise online, but the truth lives deeper in this heart of mine. If the past is gone, still the soul survive. We hold the light, we stay alive. This is for the youth lost in the noise, for the ones healing, for the ones rising. We carry hearts, we carry hope.